tub in there, man.
Hey guys, this is Shane and Bob. We're back getting this load of scrap out of the property. We pulled up here, look at this. Somebody put a cast iron tub right there in the wrong spot. What a waste of money. Bob thinks he's going to load it up.
Yeah.
With one hand.
My buddy, I'll tell him I fell off my...
There you go. There he is.
Hi! Mass Bandit has arrived.
The Mass Bandit is here.
Just robbed the place.
Did you rob it?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
$2.48.
I believe it. I believe it.
$120 a ton.
Okay, so it's down a little bit.
$38.40.
$38.40. All right. Well, hell, that's better than kicking the old.
Yeah.
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 All right. Cool.
That's 10 cents off, you know.
10 cents off.
Yeah, I said $38.50, remember?
Yeah, you did say something like 35.
I said $38.50.
30, you did?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm 10 cents off.
All right.
So I'm good.
You did pretty damn good then.
Yeah.
All right. All right. I'll give it to you.
I did all the lifting so I can know how much I'm doing.
There we go. I'm turning this off because now you're just lying.
Oh, I am lying. Good job, Shane. You did it. Never thought we'd see the end of it.
Oh, I know. The drywall was terrible.
Woo!
Took forever. Let's see how much we owe. All right, guys. So it was just over 1.5 ton, and the total was $117.75. So not too shabby, I don't think. Yeah.
I didn't realize I lifted that much.
You didn't know you had it in you, did you?
I didn't know I had it in me. No.
All right, guys. Well, the next we have a job tomorrow. No, we got the hot tub tomorrow.
Tomorrow in the garage.
And the garage tomorrow. Yeah, that's right. So the garage is a nice size clean out.
Yeah.
A lot of metal in it.
Yeah.
So.
Got to tear some cabinets apart.
Tear some cabinets apart. Yep. And so yeah. So that's what's next.
I'm worn out.
You're worn out, huh? Bob needs a vacation. What's going on, everybody? How are you doing out there today? We are at the garage clean out. So we got all that stuff there and over there and this cabinet here. So we're gonna get this all loaded up. Bob's bringing the pickup truck for us to put the metal in, and everything else is going in the box truck, which is all cleaned out, ready to go. Guys, that is everything. It looks slower than what it is just because these big furniture pieces we're going to need to break down with a sledgehammer. But I'd say it's overall, if you were to pack it all in there, it's maybe a quarter full. So anyway, they were happy, paid us cash, and now we need to break this stuff down a little bit to make room for the next job. All right, guys, so the hot tub job we were supposed to do this morning got canceled. Or I should say postponed. That guy is in Lake of the Ozarks in a funeral situation, so no harm, no foul. We will get that job here eventually. And when we do, I will film it. But for this job right here, we made $400. So not too shabby, not too bad for a quick Saturday job. When I say quick, probably about an hour. And Bob did finally show up a half hour late. And this is all the metal we got from that garage. So overall, it was a pretty good haul, I think. So this entire ceiling.
So this entire ceiling in here,
Okay.
there's gonna be a spot right here that you're gonna leave alone. This is already framed up right here.
Okay.
You're gonna leave this alone.
That stays there. Okay.
That stays right there.
Understood.
As far as everything else, lights, the diffusers come down, everything.
So electricity be turned off?
I can turn the electricity off for you.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey everybody, I'm here with Bob. Remember Bob?
Hey, yeah, remember me?
We got a little junk removal here. We got this pile over here. There he is looking in the dumpster. And this pile over here with a couple of mattress and box spring and some other stuff back in there. So we're gonna get going here and get this loaded up. Nice little table there, kind of cute. Nice little side table. We'll take that out to the antique mall and see if we can get 10 bucks for it or so. All right, guys, we're back at the property. We got the stuff from the last clean out and the mattress there. So, and here's everything we got tonight that we're gonna throw on there. Nothing terribly exciting, but that tote up there has got some stuff in there, or bags up there's got some stuff in it. I'll pull that out in a second and show it to you. Okay, do your thing.
Here's nice shoot, boy.
Huh. 13M.
You recognize the picture?
Nope. Oh, that's too bad. That would have been pretty.
Yeah. Ooh.
That's what you got there.
Surprise!
Super glue!
And Yahtzee.
Yahtzee!
This is 10 cents.
10 cents?
It's your box.
Alright, that's nice. Stefan.
Who?
Stefan, I think it's
That's pretty.
Stefan. That's nice. Probably sell that.
Chair.
Little fishing chair.
There's your replacement of your tarp.
Ooh!
Brand
Heck
new.
yeah!
Yeah.
That's what Daddy ordered right there. Heck yeah! Alright, now we're going to add the bed rails and tonight's metal to the truck there, and Bob's going to take it down and turn it into cash tomorrow. Alright guys, that is going to wrap this one up. A few more loads and I think Bob's going to have a full truck again.
Yeah, can you believe that? That's good.
Ready for a dump trailer yet?
Not quite.
Not quite. Shoot.
What about you?
Yes.
You ready for one?
I just want to push the button and dump it as soon as I get in there.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah.
But,
It's only 11 grand.
Only 11 grand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better.
Make it GoFundMe.
Okay, we'll start a GoFundMe page. All right, everybody. Thanks. Yeah, we're just joking. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you real soon.
Like tomorrow, maybe.
Maybe tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.